Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to fix the network problem on any Xiaomi Redmi smartphone. Now first of all, make sure that your SIM card is not the problem. Now to check if your problem is in your SIM card, just take the SIM card out of your smartphone and put it in another smartphone. And if the other smartphone detects the SIM card, this means that your SIM card works. Now, if your SIM card does not work in the other device, this means that the problem might be in your SIM card. Now the second step is to open the settings app. Now from here, tap on my device. Now scroll down and tap on detailed info and specs. Now from here, scroll down and tap on kernel version a few times until you open FQC tests. Now from here, tap on SIM test. Now, if you tap on the SIM test and it does not detect your SIM card and it shows fail, this means that the problem might be in your smartphone. Now for that, just take your smartphone to any repair center or any service center to fix your smartphone. Now, if you tap on the SIM test and it detects your SIM card and it shows pass, just go to your home screen. Now, open the dialer app. Now from here, dial *#4636#*#. Now from here, tap on phone information 1 if it is your SIM 1 and tap on phone information 2 if it is your SIM 2. Now from here, make sure you enable mobile radio power. Now the last step is to scroll down and open the control center. Now from here, tap on the airplane mode and wait for 4 to 5 seconds and then turn it off. Now, this is how you can fix the network problem on any Xiaomi Redmi smartphone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.